today. So today we are back with another video, and it looks like you guys are a little crooked. There you go. We are back and we are doing some gladiolus. So I found these bulbs at the Dollar Tree, and they have 4 a piece in them. So we will be planting gladiolus today. And it says that the gladiolus needs light, full sun. We're gonna plant them 8 inches deep. And then we're gonna put them 4 square feet apart. And the bloom time is the summer. And they grow to about 48 to 60 inches. Okay, and they grow best in zones 8 through 10. So I'm in 9B here. So these will be perfect. So I am going to actually grow them in this big container right here. So I already have just a little bit of soil in here. But I'm gonna push that over to the side, and I'm going to take my shavings, newspaper shaving shred that I have, because I've started using old newspapers, old mail, and just putting it in a shredder. And I'm going to use that to fill that up. Put that in the bottom. Let me bring you guys down. Okay, uh-oh, you cook it again. Let's fix you. All right. So that is all of the shavings that I have. And then the rest, I'm going to just put my soil in there. It just seems like you guys are really crooked. Hold on. Okay, so I have my soil, and I'm just gonna dump it in there. Just like that. Get that styrofoam out of there. And of course, this is not enough of soil. So I'm going to get my bag out of the car, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the soil that I'm using. I picked this up. This is the Pro Mix compressed pack, and it says 2 bags. So it's kind of light, not too light, but I was able to carry it, so that's one of the reasons why I picked it up. It really didn't matter that it was organic. I just was like, okay, 2 bags in this little pack, let me grab it. So I picked it up, and it was like $10 and some change. So let's go ahead on and add it in. So guys, if you are liking my videos so far, don't forget to hit that like button. Share me with your friends and your family. Hit the notification bell so you will be notified when I upload new videos. Hit that subscribe button. And keep watching. All right, so Now, since I'm planting this, now I have to find me another container to put my soil in, because this is what I was using to hold my soil. So I'm gonna get this added in and I'll be right back. So I have my soil in there. And now I'm just going to add a little bit of perlite just to that top layer. It already has a little perlite in there. All right. Let's see. Planting time between February and June. Okay. The soil should be loose. Cover bulbs up, excuse me, by replacing it with the soil. Water well after planting. Okay, so this is the red Trader Horn. All right, so I'm just gonna do 2 reds for right now. And it says how many inches? It says depth 8 inches. Okay. I'm gonna put one right here. Oh wow, look at that. So I'm planting with this side down, I'm guessing. I'm gonna cover that in, and then I'm gonna come over here and do the same thing. All right. That's the red. Then I'm gonna do the yellow. This one don't look all that great, but we're gonna put them in there. The yellow right there. That's the only thing about playing in the dirt. So I have the red right here, I have the yellow right here. Then we're gonna do the pink. Pink Supreme. And the yellow was called Jester. So let's get these Pink Supremes planted in there. All right, so we have a total of 2, 4, 6 gladiolus in this pot. We're gonna press that down, and then we will water it in. Okay, y'all, so I decided that these are some of my angel trumpets that's sitting in the front of the house. So I decided that I'm going to throw 2 of the yellow gladiolus plants inside with the angel trumpets. Let's just see what they're gonna do. And I'm trying to be careful because there's ants in this container. The more I try to get rid of them, the more they come back. I'll put diatomaceous earth on here. I even put a little bit of sugar Avery P in there, y'all, to see if they were gonna grow back. I mean, if I was gonna get rid of them, and they're not as many as they used to be, but they're still in there. So that was me planting the gladiolus inside of the angel trumpet plant. So let me show you guys how tall she is. That's not Angelica. That's pieces that came with Angelica that I grew up in the front yard. All right, y'all. So that is the rest of the video. You guys have an awesome day. I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.